want to fill up as well.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are back out in the Brecon Beacons today. Yeah, we're looking at the first waterfall. This is right next to the car park, guys. As you can see, there's a car there. So here's number one, and there's another one up at the top there. We'll get up and have a look at that one in a minute. And there's a few, so that's what we'll be looking at today. Alright, so yeah, I got this a bit backwards, guys. Actually, this is the first one that leads to the one we just saw. Yeah, it's very good. It's about 20 feet. About 20 feet that waterfall there.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. All this nice clear water, guys, running off the top of the mountains. That's epic. Pretty good. Right, we'll get at that over there down the bottom, guys. But yeah, we're out with Flak Eater and Unknown Adventures. So check out their channels, guys. I'll put some links down there in the description. And yeah, we'll get down that trail and see what we can see down there. Right, guys. One thing I have to mention is we made the mistake of coming here on a weekend. That isn't even the car park up there. It's just absolutely rammed every single car park. So if I was you, I'd try and get here in the week if you can. But yeah, here's the trail. Alright, so that's the one we were just looking at up there. You can't really get through to it, but it does come down here, heads off down the mountain to the main waterfall at the bottom, I assume. We'll just take a little look on this sort of vantage point by here. Ho ho ho! Oh yes, oh yes, more waterfall over there, guys. Oh, check out that. How nice does that look? That looks really, really nice. So we'll get down the bottom now. Oh man, I'm just loving this place. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. About another 20 foot here, guys. Like I said, guys, it's an epic place, but it's really, really, really busy. I don't know how you guys are finding this place, but I am finding this absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to get around the corner for there. Alright guys, we're coming up to a good one by the look of it. Yeah, that's quite a drop. Yeah, that's quite a drop down over there, guys. Got a fruited tree there. So this place is awesome. Oh yeah, she's a good one. Alright, being as we veered off the path up the top, guys, that's the way we just came, which is absolutely epic. I would highly recommend going that way. Here's the actual trail, anyway. So it's, yeah, we'll get to the end and have a look over. Alright, okay, so here's as far as we can see down into the valley there. I'm pretty confident that this trail goes on for about another mile. So whether or not we do it, probably not. But gonna stop right here a minute, gather a few things, sort a few things out, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so we double checked the map, and the waterfall we wanted to see is actually the one I just showed you there. I'm gonna see if there's a way down into the valley we can get a better shot of it, but this trail actually just leads down to the road at the bottom, so this is not really what we're out for. We're just out for finding spots to look at. So I think we'll head back to the car and move on to the next location. Alright, and guys, no wonder trail looked a bit difficult, but yeah, we weren't even on it. We took probably the hardest trail here, so yeah, this one does look a bit easier in all fairness. So yeah, like I just said, guys, the trail actually comes down around and down over there. That is the marked trail. However, we went that way, if you remember, to scope out the waterfalls. So and then we went down over that way, but I think the way we went is much more better than the again, this is the trail. We have checked the map, and that just leads right down to the bottom of the valley there. Alright guys, here's where we are, so I'll just point out to you exactly what was going on there. This waterfall is the very first lot we looked at, right by the car park. You're going down a bit to that waterfall there, and as you can see then the trail goes all the way down to the bottom, which is on the road there. So yeah, that was pretty good actually. Maybe we'll come down another day and actually follow the trail. So we're next to the road now, guys, and you can see down the valley there. That's the trail we just were on. But yeah, there's the actual car park for the place, which is absolutely rammed, the same as every single car park. So we're just parked up there on the side of the road. So, don't fancy that push bike. Alright guys, there we go. We're now on the Taft Trail in search of a tunnel. So we will put that down as the next video. If you did enjoy this one, guys, like, subscribe, all the good stuff, comment down below, and I will catch you very soon when we find this tunnel there. Like I say, Taft Trail, I can't remember the name of the tunnel, but it'll be in the next video, guys. Cheers for watching, catch you on the next one.